Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we came up with a different scenario. We are going to see how to calculate running total in this video. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX. So now I will go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to create this report. And so before getting into the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have taken from the Excel. So if you look at here, customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, product category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have taken from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. We'll try to understand. For that, we'll try to go to the model tab. So just collapse these two so that we can see. Scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if you place the mouse over here, we can see that some color is getting highlighted. It means that based on this three column, we have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So the filter propagation is flowing from one direction to many direction. It means that from fact dimension table to fact table, the filter propagation is going on. So likewise, I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important for building data models, and we'll talk more on these upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report. Okay, go to the report. Now in today's video, we are calculating running total for entire data model. We'll try to say how to do that. Okay, for that I have two pages. Here we have table, so we have two slices. One is the date, another one is territory country. So based on these slices, we are calculating the running total. So for that I have created two measures. One is running total, another one is running total one. So what is the difference between these two? Both are giving close to that when you don't apply any slicers, but when you apply the slicers, it gives the different results. For example, okay, I'm just resetting the slicers. Now you can see that. So if you try to calculate the running total, I did not apply any slicers, both of them, but when you apply the before applying slicers, now you can see that what is the running total. So it's getting summed up for each day wise. See, it's getting running total. So likewise, so it gives, but when apply the slicers, now you can see the difference. See, this date, what is that sales? 1573. But this is this measure is getting calculated from this date onwards. Okay, this measure it's getting calculated based on the current date onwards, but this measure it's getting calculated from the beginning of the date. So basically the sales getting started from in this table are July 1st onwards, so it is taking running total from the July 1st onwards. Because so likewise I have created this expression. So I'll try to show the what kind of expressions I have written this values on that. So zoom it a little bit so we'll get more clear. If you see here, first is running total, so I'm taking only all, so it means that it ignores all the filters coming from the dim table. So that is the reason it is getting calculated from the first day of the day table. When it comes to running total one, whatever the selected dates, it gives the running total. Okay, instead of giving from beginning, it is gives only selected dates period, it gives the running total. Okay, so that is the only difference. So even you can select any slicer for Australia, how much, see, now you can see. So this is calculated from this date onwards, but this is calculated from the beginning of the starting of the date. So likewise it gives the running total. So for that separate page also I created. Here I have taken different visuals, so visually you can understand instead of going for the table. So this is the running total, this is the running total one. So both are almost close. What I have explained here, based on that it will work. And also we have two slicers same like previous page. One is date slicer, another one is um, country slicer. So based on the selection, data are getting filtered. But I have one more card visual. So what are the dates we have selected? So it's getting into the, I'm taking into the cards. Okay, I'm taking those dates, I'm displaying in the card visual, so that easily we can understand that. So here understand little difficult, so which dates we have selected. But if we take in what are these um, selection into the card easily we can understand these dates we have selected, we are able to see the sales. Likewise we can understand. So for getting this one I have written some expression, I'll try to show that also. So here basically, so if you understand the context, within the context, what is the min date, max date? So based on that I'm taking and concatenating by using concatenate function. Okay, so and also I'm adding date from, I'm taking the min date. After that I'm adding one more concatenate function and adding string to and adding the max date. So it gives the properly what are the selection we have done. For example, if I scroll down a little bit, now you can see 2011, 23, 2003. In case if 318 2002, so these in between this period we are able to see the running total. Okay, for this country, for Canada country we are able to see the running total from this date to this date. Even we can change and easily we can understand from this date to this date. Likewise I have written the expression to get the card visual. So that's all for today's video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos.